Hello and welcome back to Talking Planning, and today you join me on Adelaide Street just outside City Hall with this beauty here, a freshly restored and beautifully repainted and cleaned up 1948 AEC, and I think they've done an absolutely wonderful job with it. Bus 80 was acquired by Brisbane City Council in 1948 and remained in service until 1971. The bus was then transferred through several museums and through to its current owner, Queensland Omnibus and Coach Society, who have done a beautiful job restoring it once again. Bus 80 is the oldest vehicle in QOCS's heritage preservation fleet and is the latest to be restored. There are approximately 15 vehicles there, some of which have already been restored and others which are awaiting restoration back to their former glory. The smoking allowed rear of line only sign, I think, really encapsulates that this bus was operating in a very different era to what they operate in today. Ah yes, and someone's found the bell button. We had several distinguished guests join us today, including Transport and Maiden Roads Minister Mark Bailey, Councillor Ryan Murphy and Councillor Stephen Toomey, who joined us to celebrate the hard work and achievements of the QOCS team and Coachworks, who undertook all the repair works to restore Bus 80 to its former glory. I think my favourite bit of the speech was when they said that the old buses could take minutes and minutes to get up to speed. The current Volvo B8 RLEs can do 0 to 100 in about 48 seconds, and that the new Brisbane Metro buses will have to be pegged back because they could actually accelerate to 100 in around 12-13 seconds, which, sad to say, is faster than my first car was. I quite like this shot here, with 80 sitting still and the brand new Volvo B8s zooming past. It shows how much change and passenger comfort has improved over the last 70 years, and how the general quality and design language has changed over time. However, I also like this shot here with the Scania, which is heading past, knowing that these are soon to be retired as well, and will be joining the AEC in the gone but not forgotten buses of Brisbane Transport. I found out about the restoration and unveiling of the vehicle in the Australian Bus and Coach magazine, and I knew I just had to go and check it out. I certainly didn't expect what happened next, and that was the opportunity to go for a ride on board.
That's right, yeah. Oh, sorry, brass wheels.
Councillor Murphy actually did a speech comparing this old bus to the brand new Volvo V8s, and it was quite interesting to hear the difference in spec, but I tell you what, this thing's still solid, still running, and after 72 years of service, a lot of time restored as well. I think that's pretty impressive. Sorry about the camera shake, it's a little bit bumpy compared to the modern smooth suspension that you get on a current serving bus. But it's pretty cool to be able to jump on board, and something you don't get to do every day, so I really appreciate the opportunity, and I hope you enjoy seeing what things used to be like about 70 years ago in Brisbane. Say Brisbane's changed a little bit since this bus was the mainstay of the fleet, but I'm so glad to be able to enjoy this experience and, you know, see Brisbane from a very different light on board a proper classic. Look at this. You can actually open the windows. That's the bell. those handrails on the ceiling. And all the spares just to make sure that this vehicle keeps running in tip-top shape. Goodness, I can't believe it. I wonder if we're actually going to jump on the freeway, because that will be an experience. Let's see. Oh no, we're not doing that, because that would be interesting, let's say. Well, I'm so glad I've had this experience. I want to say a big thank you to Brisbane City Council, the Queensland Government for their support of the QOCS, and Queensland Omnibus and Coach Society, along with Coachworks, who've done the restoration on this vehicle to make sure that it could be enjoyed by many generations to come. So thank you very much for your hard work. It's a great bit of kit, and hopefully many, many more people get to enjoy this piece of Brisbane history. That is the Brisbane City Council 1948 AEC, which has just been restored, and I reckon it looks absolutely beautiful.